For this video, I'm having fun and experimenting. I actually buy jewelry boxes just to have small things to go crazy on. I learn a lot by doing that, and it's a lot of fun. Also, today's video is sponsored by Nordgreen. I never used a sponsor that was not paint related, but this company is pretty awesome. They're a Danish company and they actually do a lot to give back to the world and the environment. Just look at the watch they sent me to. They make some pretty watches. They're a perfect gift to treat yourself or a loved one for a Valentine's Day. Valentine's is a day for love. Love yourself, love others, just love. Love is good. There will be more on our sponsors and this beautiful watch later on. For now, let's get this makeover started. I started with this jewelry armoire I picked up at one of my favorite local shops. The top had all 3 screws stripped. We're going to need to fill that later to fix it. I started by cleaning the piece with some crud cutter. I'm going to be decorating my furniture with WooduBend moldings. I will place those on my griddle to warm them up and get them ready. You can also use a heat gun or a blow dryer for this process. Once you heat them up, they become bendable like this. You want to get them hot and then add some glue. I'm using wood glue for this and spreading it around with a small brush. You want to add that on and apply pressure immediately. You can use a damp towel to get rid of the extra glue. And you can reheat any areas that didn't mold perfectly. Then just put pressure on them again to get a nice fit. For non-wood surfaces, I like to use this glue. I added these roses on my knobs and that looked so beautiful. It's like making your own hardware. As long as the molding is nice and hot, it will mold and glue right on the hardware. To fix the top of the armoire, I'm using Bondo. This stuff is heavy duty, but it's good duty too. Really good product. You will need a ventilation or a mask or both because it smells horrible. Then we sanded it and added new screws to it. And that was it for the prep work. Now we're ready to paint. I'm going with Samil Gravy for my color. It's a gray with a beige undertone, or it's a beige with a gray undertone. It's one of those. I used 2 coats of this color. I used this French tip brush for the WooduBend moldings and a mini brush for the flat parts. Once my 2 coats were dry, it was time to add some color to the moldings. I'm using Palmetto, Tea Rose and Plum Crazy for this. I started out with a little Plum Crazy using a small detail brush. Then, with another small little brush, I added Tea Rose on top of that. Then, for my leaves, I added Palmetto Green with a separate brush. I'm going to age those and put gold on them later on. Those colors are basically going to be under the gold and peek through. Here I'm using my finger to create this cool effect. So a little bit about Nordgreen, our sponsor. They care about the environment. They use recycled materials for packaging and carbon neutral shipping. They also donate to organizations that provide clean water in Africa, free education for children in India, and they even help protect areas of the rainforest in South America. Pretty awesome, right? As for my watch, I love it. This one is from the Philosopher's set. Check it out, I love this design. You can also change the straps on it. I got these leather ones and the gold ones. You can check this out and many more designs on their website. Also, you get a 15% discount by using the code KACHA at the checkout. So if you're looking for a watch, make sure to check our sponsors for this video, Nordgreen. Now it's time to add some protection. I'm going to add black wax, but to make it move easier, I first need to add clear wax. I'm using the black wax to create some depth and age. I put it on my moldings, corners, edges, wherever you see it fit. If you need to remove any black wax, just grab a cloth and some clear wax and wipe it off. And that's why it's very important to have clear wax underneath. It's a huge difference. Because you can manipulate it as you want. Once that was done, it was time for some gold, because I'm a gold girl. I just love gold. I'm using my favorite gold gilding wax. I added gold to my moldings using a small detail brush. You can see what I meant earlier when I said the colors will peek through. I added some gold on the trim lines as well. And I did the same process of clear wax, black wax and gilding wax to the legs. I made some last-minute decisions and added this small stencil to the side. I used a sponge brush and my gilding wax for this. You can remove the gilding wax pretty easy as well. Since this gilding wax is oil-based, you remove it with mineral spirits. And I ended up using decoupage paper as well. I really wanted to try this out and this was the perfect opportunity. Like I said earlier, I really love jewelry boxes because I can try all the new things on them. I'm using clear coat as my adhesive. I was surprised at how easy this actually was to work with. You literally cut it to size and glue it on with clear coat. It's also very easy to cut. Once you got it in place, you put clear coat over it again, and it's done. And it was done. What a cute little jewelry box. It's actually a large jewelry box. Isn't it lovely? I really had fun creating this little one. Thank you Nordgreen for sponsoring this video and thank you guys for watching it. I really hope you enjoyed it and I will see you next time. Bye everybody. It's a really cool watch though. It's like sophisticated, Scandinavian. I love sophisticated things. I'm a sophisticated girl. Bye guys.